Oh God. You know something I like this one, I'm always they hide and then threaten us.
Stop me hiding.
Stop it! Oh my God. Don't do that. You're so disgusting.
What me do?
Good morning. What is up? So we are here in the beautiful island of Jamaica taking in the sun. So I just finished getting dressed. I'm about to actually do a video for you guys, a sit down. So that's what we are about to do. So I'm all spruced up. So hubby just went and got some breakfast. I got my nice some pasta. What is this? Blueberry. So I don't think I've tried this the other day. I did the funeral. Yeah, I tried a smaller version. It's really good. So and he just went and got us some breakfast. Are you saying good morning?
Good morning.
So this is our breakfast right here. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? Yeah, so that is, so you see, this is the type of breakfast I love being back home. I don't get this overseas. I love this type of breakfast and your fried dumpling, because with the hustle and bustle over there, you hardly get time to make these things in the morning. Sometimes you don't even get to have breakfast, because I hardly eat breakfast when I'm overseas in the morning, maybe on a weekend, and that's pretty much it. During the week, you don't have time. Like the kids, they're about their cereal, oatmeal, like those stuff, and those I don't find those to be too healthy. As in out here you get your nice like egg and bread and plantain, you know, the more better food for your body. But at the end of the day, you just gotta do with what you have. So that is what we're up to. It's a holiday down here today. What do they call it? Hash Wednesday. And don't ask me what it represents, because I have no clue. Mr. Williams, do you know what Hash Wednesday represents?
Hash Wednesday.
What do you mean it represents Hash Wednesday? What is the purpose of the holiday? Like how they have Family Day overseas. The reason why they have Family Day is that one day you get paid and it's family. Well, every day should be Family Day. And then, so I want to know what's the meaning of Hash Wednesday. I asked somebody and nobody can tell me. And no one still can't tell me what the meaning of Hash Wednesday is. So for those who are Jamaican and do know what Hash Wednesday is, please let me know in the comments below. Right? I'm Jamaican. No, but what's the meaning behind Hash Wednesday?
You get on holiday.
You see your face? Well, we get one holiday. Well, we know it's Hash Wednesday, you get a holiday. But what was the reason behind it? Like, what is it so significant? Like how you guys have Labor Day out here. Our Labor Day overseas is different as opposing to your Labor Day out here, right? It's a holiday in both countries, but your guys' Labor Day is like where you go and you do like charity work, whether you help to repaint a school, you do work for free, right? Isn't that what your guys' Labor Day is out here? As in our Labor Day, it's just a day for celebration to pretty much people drink. Most of the holidays overseas are a reason for people to drink and party. So that's why I'm trying to ask what's Hash Wednesday and what it's all about. But this one they give me 6 for 9, so that's what you guys are getting. But if you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments below. So this one doesn't like vegetables, so well, he doesn't eat vegetables, so I am going to.
Me eat vegetable stuff.
Yeah, lie, you know, eat no vegetables.
So
I'm gonna take his vegetable for him. Right? And not eat me at Ify. You say you don't want it. I love my vegetables, so we can't take a dumpling too.
So that you right to see me from mine.
Me can't take a dumpling too.
Why?
Yeah,
dumpling, right?
Well, so why you tell me not to take your vegetables then?
No, me say can I get me like vegetables that I take it. So me like dumplings that I take it.
No, me I take a dumpling because I want to take it. Here.
So why you eat before?
I'm not eating the food. Here, you're so disgusting. Here.
Can you tell somebody to eat? Eh?
Come eat the food before it gets cold.
Who you talking to?
Me. How you may get it from? You know, you're some me and your brother and sister.
You didn't tell us a long time, you didn't believe me.
You see your face?
Yes,
Is that true, guys? Do you really think that we look like brother and sisters?
I still go ahead with it.
So much people ask us that. So much people ask if we're related.
How can I vegetable that?
They always mistaken and say me and my brothers and sister. But yet, yes, so much people always mistaken us for brothers and sister. And when me and him and his sister are out, people mistaking his sister and him to be husband and wife. And I'm the sister. You get that so often. Do y'all think we look alike?
It's cute time.
You're bright, but you're cuter than me. Me cuter than you. That's why you can leave me alone.
Alright. Yeah, that we are on.
Oh, please.
Yeah, come on, see what you want to do. Yep.
Keep telling yourself that. Hello. So, ladies, if you see something that you're interested in, you don't go after it. Listen, I've always been the woman that anything I see and I want something, me go and fight.
No.
Go after what I want in life.
Sometimes which part of the day I can't get it.
What?
Sometimes which part of the day?
I can't get it. I'm always able to get it. Anything that I've put my hand to, always come true.
Yeah, fortunate one.
Alright. That's
You're
so.
so fortunate.
Because I'm just blessed in that sense. Anything I have ever gone after in life, I've always been able to achieve it. You just gotta have that confidence in yourself. And just believe that anything you put your mind to, as long as there's a God above, yeah.
So what do you think of my drinks?
I like the bubblegum flavor more. This is alright, but yeah.
May I see it? So you're not pulling.
I'm gonna look like you.
My maid.
Oh, almost that.
My maid.
I am not your maid, I am your partner. There's no maid in this.
Huh? What does you want to say look like?
Here.
Me tell you before you tell me. What do I look like, your maid? What's that?
Huh?
What's that say?
You're damn right.
I'll
You
get
are right about that.
I'll get icky.
I will give me hickey.
Mm.
No, you hold me down and bite me. They tell me about my skin tough with his disgusting self. I yet to live
I
one.
say tough, I say stubborn.
Stubborn, you say tough, your face favor. And Lania's like, Auntie Shan, how was that? How who bite you? My Uncle Mario.
It's a mosquito.
The mosquito bite people so big.
What? Mosquito bite them cat.
Yeah, no long time I eat okra now. The food is good. But guys, we're gonna go eat. I don't know what we're up to today. You know what? I'm just sitting here and I'm enjoying the scenery and loving life. Let me show you the view at what I'm staring at right now. So, let me zoom out. So you see all that? I'm staring at the mountain up there. That is my view from where I'm sitting right now. So, we're going to finish eat, and then I'm not sure what we're doing after this, but we're gonna go get this video done for you guys, so we will do that. And let us know if you guys want us to start going live. We're thinking of doing like a Friday segment of whether you guys either can call in. I wish that YouTube live would be like you can actually invite somebody into the conversation, right? So they can speak and stuff like that, like how Instagram has it. But we're thinking about doing like a Friday segment where you guys we will sit down and have a talk. Like you call and ask questions, or basically we'll come up with topics and we talk about them. you know, like whether it's relationship topics, school topics, things that are happening in the world, but you know, just keep it level topics, like, you know, some fun topics, like maybe the pursuit of happiness, what makes a person happy, what we define as happiness to one may be different from the other. So yeah, that was something that I was thinking about doing. Or maybe I'll ask you guys to send in some questions every week ahead of time, and then we can go live on Friday like nights, maybe around 7 or 8. So, or even Saturdays or Fridays, it will be based on what you guys would want. We can also do it with the newbie fam, so it'd kind of be like a round table thing where it's not just mine and Mario's opinion, but it's also Nisha and Ziggy, and probably Shauna if she's around as well, and maybe Chef Mike if he's there. So to just get different side of things from different people. So that was something that we were thinking about. Just let me know if you guys would like something like that. But I think it will be very informative. And if you guys have not seen the last live that the newbie fams did, you can go over and watch it. We did a live answering questions about sponsorship for those that are in an LDR relationship. So there is a video, there is a live, we did a live segment on that with the newbie fam. So you guys can always go over and check out their channel. I will link their channel name in the description. Well, it will be here in the video, so you guys can actually go and check that video out as well. And in the last video, me and Nisha said that we are opposed to helping anyone, like, well, answer questions if anyone out there do need help. You don't need a lawyer to actually go through that process, but it's for more people in trying to migrate, like to Canada. Yeah, we're not sure about the state, guys, so we're gonna go tour. I've not been down this way in a long time. Go find out what's down here. Mario, wait for me. How about me a tour in a dress? Oh my goodness. What happened when you have acres of land? Look at this. Mario! Oh gosh. You know something like this one, I'm always there hide and then frighten out. Ah, Mario, stop it! Oh my god. Don't do that! You're so disgusting.
What am I do?
What kind of tree is this?
Tree?
Don't play with me. What kind of tree is this? This one here.
Man, still up.
No, what? Huh?
Tree.
What do you mean tree?
Yeah,
Mix what? Oh. Where's the guava that day? What on the floor? What are these things here?
Oh yes, rotten guava.
Rotten guava. So this is a guava tree here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
What?
What
do you mean ticks? Is that good?
No, I have to go back here.
Oh. Ew. Ticks down here? Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Here's acre, and that one over there is a pear tree, right? The pear tree? You gonna show me where yam grow? Oh, I need water boot. I should have been wearing pants.
Yam this one?
I am that?
Have you give people them?
Yeah, they give people them. You're too funny. Look at it. So it looks huge.
Hmm?
It looks huge. There's a piece more there. Oh. Look at him. He's like a kid.
Hmm.
Yo, I'm playing in the dirt. Didn't I just show you one there? Is not yam there? Holy. How are you gonna do? Dig it up for cook later? I'll make it bring you cookie curry. I'll dig it up for cook.
No, mash it or something to dig it.
How much it?
Look at no sticks up on me.
You can see them?
What do you mean? You want to go out of here?
You go over there. Oh my goodness. There's a jackfruit tree around here? Really? Is there any jackfruit on there? Wait, I gotta look for iguanas. I don't see any of them. You want to see me fly, run, gun a few. Babes, wait, you're walking too fast. Mario. No, I'm afraid then scratch up my pretty skin. Chop. Come at me, pop me behind. Oh shit. I mean, I see no crotch bush. What is it? Oh, they just plant yam here? Oh. Oh. Jackfruit where? They ripe? Oh. I'm not going that far down there. I'm already scratching. Huh? Oh, there's jackfruit there. What? Where? There, guys. There's jackfruit there on the tree right there. Let me see if I can get a closer view. It's one of my favorite fruit to eat when I'm down here. Ow. Still love my mango, but jackfruit is my all-time favorite fruit. For those that don't know, that's jackfruit there. But they get much bigger. See how they look? And it's so crazy, they grow upside the tree. They grow upside the tree. So what are all these things that are dug up here, babe? Here. Oh, they just haven't planted them yet? What you say, stick them on the jaw? Go right here. There's one there. Maca? I just need the water boat. If me make thick sketch you. Osh. I say osh here, babes. Osh. Where say when ticks go on your ball? No, sir.
Yeah, walk and stretch. You ripe?
You ripe?
Yeah.
Picky. Picky babes. Wow. Go get jackfruit for eat today. What? Oh my gosh.
Come here, get you out.
Look, guys. I watched the man struggle. What do you mean you picked the wrong one? So what wrong with the other one now? So can you put it down for it to ripe? Oh, me supposed to know. Go down there, go get it. So you would really pick me jackfruit and leave it? After you're not mad. Eh? So Mario, you're not supposed to look where jackfruit drop. Eh? You see this, guys? Him may work hard to pick me the jackfruit and he make you jackfruit drop and now you can't find it. What? What? You better hurry up. You better make sure you get the jackfruit before they sting you. All when they sting you, make sure you try to get my jackfruit. Now come back up without it. You hear, babes? Now come back up without my jackfruit. All when they sting you. Oh Lord, what kind of wife I would be, eh? I'd be a wicked woman. I ate that one? Wow. Come, babes. Bring it up. Bring it to them. My feet, I think I stepped in scratch bush. I'm scratching. What? Young? Eh? I mean, they know it's a jackfruit tree over here. And all along me asked for jackfruit and jackfruit tree over here. You didn't know? So how you know you didn't?
I don't want to come down here.
You don't want to come down here? So what make you come down here, devil? Hmm?
Yes, you're the devil.
Excuse you. I'm not pushing on but me the devil. Huh? Really, babe? Hello, me swear say me wearing yellow, you know. So me more look like the angel and you look like the devil because you are wearing red. You're bright.
You ever seen me?
With one, me see plenty of them they walk around. You want me name some of them?
See?
Alright? Ooh, okay guys, so that is the jackfruit there. Jackfruit. Go on. Wow. Go on with the road. Go. Hello. Wait for me now, babes. Hello. You know, send me a weird dress. I was over there, so. Fine? Eh? Oh, see more yam there. How good thing that? Kian? Oh. Oh God, wait. Hello. No one left me, Jacob. Mario. Huh? Yeah, you stop me from coming. Yeah, no, babe. Look how you fling back, you sitting there for me. Mario, my bottom out the door. Look at me just the cool. Mario, my boat. Aye. You say you're wicked. Me tell you my boat, you're not even stop to look to see how wicked. Eh?
One time, I took one bees about a tree there.
Eh?
And I go down there, say, don't go so in bush now. I go down there, say, I chop around so we can climb the tree. Bro, I tell you, what should that kill me? When you see my foot tall, pull me, run off. You want to bite me up. I'm tired. Come on.
Oh. You're tired? Where do you feel tired? Eh? So two little juki got coffee. Sitting down juki a fight wrong. The wrong one. The axe carrying.
Yeah, that's something that bite you.
Eh? Something that bite you. Cassie! Karine! Mrs. Williams! I can't hear. Mrs. Williams! I can't get a knife. I can't get a knife. Mario, go bring me in a bush. Oh God. Eh. Let me go cut up myself. 1, 3. I go see if... Come let me try.
Come.
You must be mad.
Yeah.
No, not for me. Karine!
No.
Karine, Mario say knife dull.
No man, no live inside. Yo, why good jackfruit, you know?
A good one. Yeah. Alright. You have to go shop now. Oh
Sweet.
my God. That is too crazy. Look at the jackfruit, guys. Oh, hurry up so I can get a piece.
Knife might be cut off my hand.
Oh, if mad for cut off your hand and you can't cut.
You don't see how many ruby? One finger there. Okay?
Yeah, so one slice and done. Just make sure no blood don't touch the jackfruit or many feet. Yeah. I say, what kind of wife could I be, huh? Oh Lord. We got bananas for sale, guys.
Like you're right.
You overripe? Oh. Well, how do you know when they're ripe? Is it when they turn that color?
I smell them on there.
Well, that one smelled nice. It smelled not.
Hello. Not my first dead.
Where say make your first dead?
I'm gonna taste it first. Mmm.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet like a sugar.
That's what jackfruit's supposed
Man.
to taste.
Babes, you don't want tasty. Me alone tasty.
You see your face, you try giving me jackfruit. Don't play with me. Come on, babes. So how you get two of it? I mean, I get none.
Sweet
Ooh.
hard.
Oh gosh, babe, it tastes so good. Okay. Sanan.
What?
Mario,
What?
I mean, you go pick your jackfruit right now.
Yeah, me get what's bite.
What do you mean? You're not getting no was bite, yo.
Yeah, what's about me?
Yeah. But the was no bite, yo.
You tell me about me.
Me tell every bite and it was no bite, yo. Come now, babes.
What?
Yeah, give me jackfruit.
No, man.
Yeah, did you play? Carrying one jackfruit too. Ow,
No.
babes.
Jackfruit. Oh.
Can I have some?
You just give a piece.
No. Look how much you eat and look on the little piece where you give me.
That pity you eat. That's mad.
It's what I mean to me, guys. He picked the jackfruit for me, you know, and me hardly ever see him eat jackfruit. So how come you eat jackfruit now?
Cause I good jackfruit this.
Every time him get jackfruit.
Come here, feed you. You see it?
No.
Just make
That one little piece.
You see? You see? Alright, let me take a small piece.
Okay, and give me a big piece. That's what you have to do. But why you give me seeds for? Give me a piece.
You love your seed.
I mean, you're supposed to. Why you don't eat the seed? Oh gosh. I mean, you're supposed to feed first and then you eat. That's how it's supposed to go.
Tell me I give you the seed.
Ladies before. Mario, really? You just did that. Huh? And ladies before gentlemen.
Who's it?
What? What do you mean, who's this?
Who call that?
In the Bible. Hey, look, Bobby's over. It's in the Bibles. Ladies before gentlemen. You know, give me some of my jackfruit, Mario. You really sit down, look how you did there, soups me. Eh? You know, cut piece, because you're carrying. You know, say, I go bite your hand. Mario! Stop that!
Hello, my finger.
Well, just be
Come
bite
back me.
No. You like one? Maybe if you bite you. You know what, here.
Right here.
You know, so something go grow over your eye top. You know that?
Just let me not get up and take it back.
You just give me jackfruit and take you back. It's sitting no grow over your eye top,
You know,
something
say,
wrong.
just come here and pick this and you're alright? Yeah, that's perfect.
But it's still good.
But it's them so small, huh?
Not so small.
Come on.
Probably, I will finish this by today. Whole thing I will sit down and eat. I eat it till I Clyde.
Here. This is it.
Bro, look up.
Come on, pick all this up yourself, man. What are you free, say?
Hello. You're supposed to cater to me. Lanny Bo!
I call him crowd for the thing for.
Okay. Me never see you eat jackfruit. Hardly ever.
You bad mind, so.
What do you mean, my bad mind, sir?
You can't let me make the jackfruit in a
No. You don't eat in a piece. Because I'm
Ah.
here picky for.
piece. I'm eating a pieces then. Fine? That's okay?
Eh?
I'm eating a pieces then.
And the breeze is just nice outside. Now guys, this is what you call living. Yes. So here, enjoying the nice breeze. You're getting such nice breeze. And I feel pot up in how much sweater and socks and winter coat. Oh gosh. This morning I see a post out there with the snow will come down.
Which part?
Huh?
It's fine.
Nisha. He's just like, man, did I wish to want to be here? So good, guys. And these you can cook them, the seeds. So how you picking off mine and you have yours?
Let me help you. Alright, let me.
Well, if you help me, give me one of yours. I know that me want.
Hey.
You eat out half of this one and you eat and left you give me. Yeah, babes?
You know what I eat?
What do you mean I me eat it? Mario, a 2-piece, little piece you give me half of this one.
Lie?
I don't lie, it's up on camera. You show up on the camera. Me, I love my natural fruit. I can get up. Instead of actually eating solid food, I can eat fruits all day. Fruits and water.
People like this and follow it up, you know?
Hmm?
We call it jackfruit. Did they spoil?
This is because you know people will live on the island. You know, not for them they don't learn to appreciate where they live. All them things they mind foreign minded and want to go foreign. And the people that will come from foreign will learn to appreciate this.
She wants to come from foreign. Me come from foreign.
You don't come from foreign, but well, you're foreignized now. But now, you see what I used to sit down and talk about all the time over there. Now you realize it's like you live here for how much years of your life, and then you go overseas, and then you realize now you learn to really genuinely appreciate Jamaica. Because if you never used to appreciate it as much as when you live out here, because a lot of things that you guys take for granted, you don't know what to have until you lose it, right? They always say a cow never know the use of their tail until it's gone.
Good things I mean a cow.
Or a donkey, whatever.
Good me a donkey. Good thing me a donkey.
But me a talk about chicken eye. A lot of people in general, they never know the use of like how good they have life in the islands until it's not for them then go overseas and say over there's no better roses. The only reason why enough time even Mario's co-workers them when them ask him what island he come from, and they ask him what is he doing if he's mad. What is he doing in Canada, right? And the only thing is just like a lot of people overseas, yeah, they would love to go back home, you know, but the thing is, the fact is the money, the opportunity is not at their country, and this is why most people leave. It's not people leave for say that they want to leave. Some people, they have to leave their country, but some don't. They just leave because they want a better life. Enough time, them life might be alright out here, because I've known police that work out here and even detectives that are out here, high-ranking people in certain positions out here, and when they go overseas, their credentials don't mean nothing. They have to start all over again. Even just to do security job, they have to go back to school to become a security, and you used to be a police out here. So, you know, life is not always what it seems. They always say the grass isn't always greener on the other side.
Everything you have to go back to school.
Yeah. And then if you're out
if
here
you go
and you
back
have
to school, you go back to class. You got class.
And if you have your good nice house, no mortgage, no rent-free, mortgage-free for how much years, and then you have to go over there and you have to pay people rent and mortgage, it's a shock. It's coming like a very big culture shock. And then the food, where you hear people say them sick and tired of they eat rice and peas, the same old yam and dumpling and banana and this and that, and when them come out here, they can't get enough of it because they miss it so much, you know. But
listen to me, look how you make me stain up my hand. That's why I don't like eat it, you know.
so how you eat it then?
That's why I don't really want to eat it, so.
I tell you to eat it. Look for me, tell you to put it down.
I can feel I don't really fancy it like that.
So then you put it down then.
Can't buy me and stain up.
So put it down and stop eating then. Nobody tells you to eat it.
You see you stay?
What do you mean?
You want a life for yourself.
Well, you're damn right, so why you complain for?
Before I make you eat it, I stain up all of me. My clothes will stain up.
Greedy. Greedy. It's like country life sweet. Look at you just walk around this and go pick up fruit. You know how much for one of them sitting overseas and they're not even ripe, not even know where they come from. Remember one time I went to my store? And I said, let me buy it. And you're like, no.
You know what you buy. Next thing you go and cut it and have in it.
And it's green as ever. You know Jamaican apple, no? I love Jamaican apple. I don't like the Canadian apple as much. Mario eat the Canadian apple, but not really me. The only time I really eat this is like with sugar. What do you mean you always have a better half? How is that? Elaborate now.
I always give you better half for myself.
You see your face?
we survive and go through the struggle.
Yeah.
Yeah, me can't get it better half. You're not going with me go do a hang?
No, you're not going to hang.
Oh.
Come in and go nowhere. You're not going nowhere.
I go jump off a building.
You go jump off a building? You don't have to jump off me, push you off it. Oh God. So hey guys, so I just came back to end the vlog. It was a long day, but we had a good time. Oh, just not too long. Finished just hanging out, and your girl is tired, so I'm about to go and shower and call it a night. I will catch you all in the next one. Peace, guys.
First I know this is really love, cause baby me feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.